and welcome to the PT Board tutorial video for the calendar feature. If you have a previous calendar set up on Google Calendar, feel free to import it to PT Board so you can have it without having to re-input everything by hand. Make sure to follow the step-by-step guide. If you would like to create an event in the calendar, click on the day of the event and type in the title, description, and location of the event. To set the time for the event, uncheck the All Day box and set the start and end times. You may also set this to be a recurring event to occur weekly or daily. Make sure to set the date for the recurring event to end, such as the end of the school year. You may also choose the scope of the event, whether it will be published to the whole school or to a specific class or group. If you enable the reminder for this event, then the reminder will be sent out as an email before the event. You may specify the time you would like the reminder to be sent out. You can also add corresponding announcement, registration or payment forms, and volunteer signups. An email will be sent out with the attached announcement, sign-up, or payment link. Click the Create button when you are done. You may also view the calendar in list form by clicking the Events List View button in the top left corner. Upcoming events will show up on your school's home page. Thank you for watching. Please check out the calendar feature for yourself, and if you have any questions, email us at info@ptboard.com.